Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Venmo. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo application on your phone, and then you have to select the crypto option on the bottom. On this page you will see all of the options to buy crypto, like you can buy Bitcoin, your Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. You can select any coin that you want to buy. For example, today I will buy Bitcoin. So I will click on Bitcoin. A new page will open which will show me the 24-hour price of Bitcoin, which is going right now. So from here what I can do, I will click on buy. Again, a new page will open where I can type in the amount in dollars of how much Bitcoin worth of dollars I want to buy. For example, I will type in $1 and then I will select review. Then it will show me some details that what I am buying, the exchange rate, the price, the transaction fee, and how much will I pay. If I'm satisfied with the information, then I will click on buy Bitcoin. Once I buy the Bitcoin, then the Bitcoin will be transferred to my Venmo account. And that's how to buy crypto on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.